Meet Tom. Tom's in charge of 1,000 employees for his grocery delivery business in all of New England, where each of his employees makes 50 deliveries a day that must be made within a 2-hour window. A very complicated scheduling issue, to say the least. Tom's team of data scientists help schedule everything using classical computing techniques. But even on the world's fastest computers, finding the optimal route would take years. As a workaround, Tom's company uses approximations in the form of heuristics to find a solution. This sounds like a decent option in theory. In practice, not so much. That's what the quantum computing hype is all about, and why everyone's so excited about its promise of speeds far outstripping what we can imagine today. Quantum computers always seem to be 10 years away. So if you're waiting on quantum computing, good luck. However, scientists Fabio Traversa and Max de Ventre spent years inventing a new technology called MemCPU. This novel computing architecture completely bypasses the bottlenecks faced by all computers today by leveraging what they call computational memory and transforms regular computers and supercomputers into super-duper computers. The world doesn't need to wait 10 more years for quantum computers. MemCPU is here today. It's currently free to evaluate in software and is disrupting the high-performance computing industry. MemCPU optimized Tom's logistics and is saving him millions. Aren't you curious to see what MemCPU can do for you?